Today activity is paper crumbling and painting activity. See, this is a newspaper. You can, in your home there is waste papers, no? Newspaper, waste papers. You can take that paper and start crumbling it. How you will crumble? Just take this like this and start crumbling. You can hear some sound. It is also called an auditory activity because when you will crumble the paper, the sound will come and it can say auditory activity. This is also a sensory play activity because while crumbling it, you will sense the paper, the soft part, the hard part. So this is also a sensory play activity. With this crumbling activity, while pressing this, you will feel the kids will press their muscles, so the hand movement will be strong. So like this, I will crumble all the papers and put it into the bowl. And taking 5, 6 papers to crumble like this. Sound is coming now. So this is the way you have to crumble the paper. Just do crumbling fast. So this is 2 activities, paper crumbling and painting. I am showing it in one activity. Just crumbling part is the first activity. Like this, you have to crumble the paper. Parents can give a lot of paper in free time so that kids will crumble it and they will make some activity with their own. Kids' mind is very fast, so they will find some new activities and they will do some activity with paper. Now, after crumbling, almost I have done it. Just crumble it. So, almost I have completed. So, this is my paper crumbling activity. It is full, right? Let's start paper crumbling and painting activity. In my last video also I have shown you take the colors in paper plate and start doing the activity. See, I have taken blue color, red color, green color. As usual, I have used the paper plates. You can use the steel plates, and because this is a non-toxic color, I have used this color Faber-Castell. You can see here, Ideal for early age. This is a very good color and this is non-toxic color, so we can use these colors. Small bottles are also coming. Let's start the activity. We have lot of crumbled paper here. One by one we will take and we will start. Let's take a red color. So just take it lightly. Don't dip it more. Just take it lightly. Don't press it more and start doing. You can just paste the colors like this. Paste anywhere. So nice patterns will come, and this will also be the background paper. See, like this we have to take the color. Once the newspaper will be wet, fully wet, you can change the newspaper. I forgot to tell, I have taken chart paper. You can use different color of chart papers. I have used yellow color chart paper, so the color will be more brighter. Light color you should take. Don't take dark colors, otherwise the color will not look good. So almost my red color is over. Now my paper is not fully wet, but I will change the paper because I will change the color. Red color is almost over. Let's take blue color. Just dip the color like this. These all are dark colors, so take little light only. After spreading, it will come nicely. Just spread the colors wherever you want. Just spread it. And doing simply, when kids will do, they will do more, they will put their more creativity. So see, my blue color is almost finished. These two colors are only looking very nice, but I will take one more color, green color, so the background will come nicely. Blue color is over. Just take green color now. With this paper crumbling and pasting activity, the movement of hand will be very improved. This is the finger muscle improvement activity. Let's start dabbing green color. Kids, is it looking nice? Yes. And for me it is looking very nice, and you will do, just put more creativity. Whatever is coming in your mind, just put it. So, after getting dry, you can use this color, you can use this chart paper as a photo frame. You can use this chart paper as a photo frame or flashcards, or you can do various activity with this. You can use as an art and craft flower activity or something. So this is a crumbling painting activity.